Welcome to step 3 of our video studio transformation.
We are officially making great progress on our studio plans.
We really are, and before we could start revamping the room, we had to gather all of the essential supplies in order to get the job done.
This step was all about preparation. We took a trip to Home Depot and a few other hardware stores to stock up on everything we'd need.
That's right, and we needed everything. Cleaning supplies, paintbrushes, rollers, drop cloths, and all of the other essentials that we needed to prep this space for its complete makeover. But this next step, step 4, is when the real work will really begin. We have less than 30 days to put together this entire studio.
With each step, you have been on our mind. We're building Studio 281 for our clients to give you the ability to create high-quality videos without the need to invest your own money, time, or resources.
Over the next few weeks, you can follow along with us on our journey as we tackle this renovation one step at a time. Thank you for joining us.